Hello ITians, my name is Dhara and today I will be sharing with you good glimpse about Canada's job market in regards to IT sector. So without further ado, let me just start with my first point that would be best cities to locate if you belong to IT sector, right? So when we list out the cities and places to settle down, the first three places where it makes up into the list are the Silicon Valleys of Canada. That would be Montreal, Vancouver, and Alberta. So these three places are where it's a hub for IT, and if you are from the IT sector, then you must consider these for settlement. Also, there are certain other few other places where IT sector is booming or growing fast and rapidly. So, if you are a student, for example, and you are starting fresh in Canada, then these cities are also or these places are rather something which you must consider, and those would be Calgary, Edmonton, and Toronto. So these three places are an addition to the places which are already well settled with IT sectors, right? Following to the second point, that would be that the most demanded occupations in IT space. So let me list out certain occupations for you that are highly in demand when it comes to whether the places I just mentioned of where the IT is booming or general in Canada. So the occupations that are highly in demand when we talk about IT space would be developer and programmer. Obviously, this is no surprise that these occupations have made to the list. But the next would be IT project managers, quality assurance analysts, data analysts, IT business analyst, senior software engineers, network administrators, and technical support specialists. So these, if you are belonging to any of these occupations, then you are highly in demand under IT space. Moving on to the third point, the top technologist occupation under IT. So the top technologist occupation under IT would, to list a few, would be number one, business intelligence analyst. Second would be cloud architects. Third would be cloud system engineers. Fourth is IT project manager. Fifth would be data scientist. Sixth is developer, whether it be web, software, or mobile. And last is developers, developing engineers basically, and full stack developers. So if you are from this category as well, there is high demand in IT sector for you. Coming to the very important, actually not actually very important, extremely important point, which are the best jobs if you have just migrated to Canada in terms of IT sector. So the highest paying entry level jobs would be number one, computer programmers. Now when we talk about computer programmers, if to calculate a basic or average salary of them would be $44,000 a month. So, I mean, obviously, this is a huge amount if you are migrating to Canada with this occupation, and that too in an entry level job. So, this is very nice. Second would be web developers. Generally, web developers make it to $34,000 and more. So, basically, I'm talking about average salaries. So, some of them might have got a little lower than this, but most of them have got higher than this. So, that is the reason I've taken a middle number for that. Third occupation would be computer support specialist. Okay. So they make around $28,990 in an average. So if we talk about, it's almost $30,000 a month. So if you are starting a career in Canada and you are interested in any of these occupations, then entry level jobs are great. Now, talking about our fifth point, which is average salary packages of people belonging to managerial posts in IT sector. So to name a few, if you are an IT project manager or computer and systems manager, then your average salary can be up to 1,31,600 or more. As of now, till now, in a short brief of time, let's say that past 2 years, almost 3.5 lakh people from belonging from these this designations have migrated to Canada. And moving on to the next biggest chunk that has been taken in Canada immigration would be about computer hardware engineers. And till now, 77,700 posts have been fulfilled. by computer hardware engineers, and their average salary has sum up to 1,11,730. So, I mean, the salary packages are quite nice. Obviously, they are very great when it comes to Canada and when it comes to IT sector especially. That's it from my end. I hope that this video has been very helpful to all the people who are belonging to IT field. And thank you so much for watching.